Tioman Island is so stunning. Look at this clear water and sandy beach.
I know, right? But what makes it truly special is its wildlife. It's a home to a lot of rarest creatures on the planet Earth. Oh, wait. There's a snake over there. Back away.
Should I take care of it or should I kill it?
Wait, don't hurt it. That is Oligodon bullieti, the harmless and critically endangered species.
Oh, critically? Tell me more about it.
I will tell you about the taxonomy and the classification.
Alright, let's go.
Oligodon bullieti or bulliet kukri snakes is the part of Colubridae family. It belongs to the genus Oligodon, known for their kukri knife-shaped teeth. These teeth are specialized for slicing eggshells. This species was first described in 2004 by herpetologist Z. Million and L. Lee Grismers. They noticed its vibrant maroon red body and salmon pink undersides, which make it stand out from other kukri snakes. Unlike many snakes, it lacks bullhead marking or an eye stripe. Oh, it's named after Lim Bulliet, a legendary Malaysian zoologist who dedicated decades to wildlife research.
Oligodon bullieti can only be found in one country in the world, which is Malaysia. And in Malaysia, Oligodon bullieti is only endemic to Tioman Island, which is a tiny island about 40 kilometers off the southeast coast of Peninsular Malaysia. Endemic means it's found nowhere else in the world. This species' entire existence depends on this one place only.
Tioman Island is not just special for Bulliet's kukri snake. It's also a unique place for a lot of animals and plants because it's a biodiversity hotspot on the earth. It's a part of Seribuat archipelago, and its isolation allowed species like Oligodon bulliet to evolve in a way that made them completely distinct from other species.
Tioman Island itself is only about 136 square kilometers. Within that, Oligodon bullieti inhabits an even smaller range. Mainly in the lowland forest, imagine your entire world being one tiny neighborhood. That's how specific this snake's habitat is.
That sounds like a fragile situation. If anything happens to Tioman Forest, the snake's survival could be at risk.
Exactly, Epa. And that brings us to its habitat. Take it away, Epa.
Oligodon bullieti thrives in Tioman's lowland deep Doricop forest. These forests are rich in biodiversity and provide perfect conditions for snake. Oligodon bullieti is also identified as fossorial, which means animal that is adapted to digging and lives primarily underground. It spends most of its time underground or hidden in leaf litter. The leaf litter offers more than just shelter. It is also where the snake finds food, like invertebrates and eggs.
But fossil species like this snake are often hard to study, which is why we know so little about its population size and breeding habits. But we do know that this species play an important role in regulate prey populations and maintain the balance of its forest habitat.
Wow, it's amazing that every little adaptation helps it survive.
Exactly, and Powers will tell us more about the snake's fascinating lifestyle.
The snake isn't venomous and poses no threat to humans. It mainly eats small invertebrates and eggs. The kukri knife-shaped maxillary teeth make Oligodon bullieti an expert egg eater, while the palatine and pterygoid teeth assist in gripping and processing its prey efficiently.
Oligodon bullieti is listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. This means it's at an extremely high risk of extinction in the wild. And among the reasons that Oligodon bulliati is at high risk of extinction is deforestation. Tioman's forests are being cleared for tourism, residential areas, and infrastructures. Without these forests, the snake has nowhere to live, and its small population size makes it even more vulnerable to random events like storms or diseases. If we don't act soon, we could lose this species forever.
That's heartbreaking, but is there anything you can do to help?
Absolutely, Epa. And now Etira will explain how.
There's still hope for Oligodon bulliati, but it requires action, especially from us. First, we need to protect Tioman's forests, establishing protected areas and promoting sustainable tourism can prevent further deforestation. Secondly, research is vital. Studying the snake's behavior, population, and habitat needs will help us create targeted conservation plans. Finally, education is the key. Raising awareness among the locals and also the tourists can foster a sense of responsibility and preserving this unique species.
As we've learned, conserving Oligodon bulliati isn't just saving a single snake. It's about protecting an entire ecosystem and future of biodiversity on Tioman Island. Groups like Malaysian Nature Society and Juara Turtle Project are playing a crucial role in protecting the habitats on Tioman and beyond. These efforts are supported by initiatives like Malaysia Forest Fund and EcoMine, which focus on forest preservation and sustainable ecotourism. By supporting these organizations, whether by donations, volunteering, or spreading awareness, we can all make a difference together. Together, we can ensure species like Oligodon bulliati continue to thrive and reminding us the beauty and the importance of Malaysia's natural heritage.